You can smell wine here. This is so cool. All of the aromas present. Oh my god! I can't believe I'm saying this, but we are trying some horse sweat scent today. Oh my god, this was worse. Oh no!
You have to avoid all the onion garlic.
3, 2, 1. Cheers.
You should take videos, photos. Add some spiciness to it. The foam that you see on the top is made with Parmesan buttermilk. You just have to mix it and scoop from top to the bottom. So this is our next course. For this we take inspiration again from Bengal. And Karela.
Yes, we eat this also.
Yes, everything is edible.
What's
It's like a papad.
Papa. Okay.
Yeah.
So they are take on penny.
And we serve all this on a walnut image. Getting how it is prepared. And then there is a small suspense as well. Like if the other table is having this, everybody starts questioning, what is this? We get this.
I did not know that was an item.
Crown is on the top. And over here is
The
throat.
third round. It's gorgeous. I'm
Yes.
assuming.
So
Indian
here we
towers.
have taken inspiration from all the different fermentations which happen in the world. And then we give it a special Indian touch.
This is a huge wine cellar for sure. 35 is tomato.
Tomato, yes.
So just like itar but for wine. The fact that this is actually oh my god, I'm so impressed. This is the best kind of perfume.
Tomato jam. Try to guess it, it's good.
Try to guess which flavor.
Just take a sniff and then pass it on.
किसका टेस्ट स्मेल आ रहा है?
Oh.
रोज सूप पीते हो उसका. इतना बड़ा हिंट दे दिया. Okay, guess from your.
नाम बहुत अच्छा.
Broccoli या drumstick?
No.
No. Some people call it a fruit, some call it a vegetable.
Come on, बहुत ज़्यादा obvious है. Yes.
Yes.
How can you not tell?
No, it is very difficult. to be very honest.
Really? Maybe because you told me what it
Yes,
was, I knew
yes.
exactly what it was so prominent.
Basil, celery, something.
No, it's tomato.
Now you sniff it, you get tomato. It's more like tomato soup.
We're doing some more tastings. The smell test. That is really good. It was so sweet.
You can just sniff it, pass it around.
Everyone
and then
gets
you can
one
drink it.
chance.
No,
Let's
decide you.
give.
Lemon.
Don't reveal.
हाँ, वो.
Don't reveal.
I know it.
Arey, let me try.
I know this smell.
देखा देखा.
Just show me.
Oh, wait. Even I know this.
I know.
This is something you put in face pack. Orange peel. I can't believe I'm saying this, but we are trying some horse sweat scent today. Oh no! Now I know it's the danger zone. my god.
I'll give you a good smell
What
to
is
erase all
yeah?
that.
What is the corn thing?
Corn, just corn pop.
Bhutta.
हाँ,
Bhutta का
भुट्टा।
सुगंध क्या होता है?
ये तो है।
87. This is by far the most exciting thing I've done all. Oh yeah, bhutti का smell होता है. That is so true. This is like makai ki like misi roti or something.
You can try that.
This is like a yarn. What is 86?
Rubber bands.
I want to
86,
try
sorry,
rubber.
onion.
Onion का तो नहीं आ रहा smell.
This, no, I have given you this vanilla.
Oh, this is
Vanilla
hard.
bar.
This is vanilla. Yeah, but this is common. I want to try the rubber band. This
Yes,
is
sure.
so cool. I can't believe that there is a rubber band smell somewhere hidden in your aroma master. Oh my god.
This is why it's called danger zone.
Yeah.
So most of all the danger zone
What is
aromas, you will
what
not
is
like it.
83? What is
That
this?
would be
A vase.
acid, I believe.
I wanna know why
83 is
it's
vinegar.
Why is vinegar in the danger zone? And what is 82?
82 would
Let's
be
try
sherry.
all three.
82 is Madira and 81 is sherry.
What is that?
This is sherry.
Sherry
This is
wine?
Madira, yes.
82 क्या?
Madira, again it's a type of a wine. Mostly
Could
these
we
are
try?
the danger. Yes,
We
of
try
course.
82 and 83, which is a vase of
83 is vinegar and this is 83 vinegar.
vinegar.
This should not be present in your wine.
Ah! Oh my god, this was worse.
This is Madira.
Not that bad.
No, this is so. These are two types of wine, sherry and
This is
Madira.
like elaichi and like soft.
Over there, they use more sweet spices and it has
Yeah.
more alcohol.
So
So
ये ठीक है.
this is good. Yes.
This is
This one is 81. This is sherry. Again, it's a type of a wine.
It's very overpowering, so I don't want to
Yes.
sip it for too. No, I think horse sweat was the worst for sure. I don't think anything gets. Oh my god, I want to bury myself. What was this? 83. Your.
Vinegar, 83 is vinegar.
I didn't expect it to be that bad. And 68 is what?
60.
Sandalwood. I want to end
Yes,
on
it
like a
would be-
nice chandan.
68 is oak, 69 is sandalwood.
Okay, I don't mind oak and sandal both last, and then we go on for male costume.
Sure,
Mom
sure.
and dad are waiting right there. Yeah,
Okay, this
continue.
is like a complete story. So this dish comes from the coastal belt of Maharashtra. The original dish is called as komdi vade, where komdi refers to chicken and vade refers to a puri. But then we have made a veg version out of it. Also in the Konkan belt, they have a lot of cashew nuts over there. So these are called as the young cashew nuts before they are roasted. Okay, so actually before they are roasted, they are peeled. And then we put it in the warm water and then we cook it.
Then we have desserts also.
There are two more desserts after this.
So
This is called mango.
this is a take on mango.
So basically, with your next dessert, we have got a beverage paired called Aftara Sparkling Rosé. It's a non-alcoholic drink which we make in from there as the dessert, and the pastry chef both belongs.
Beautiful.
That's the final dessert, pan. As Indians, we only like to have pan after that.
Papa say, give this to